The base of a prism is shown on the grid. That's this right over here. Each square on the grid represents 1 square unit. The volume of the prism is 56 cubic units. What is the height of the prism? Pause this video, have a go at that. All right. Well, we know that the volume of this prism is going to be equal to the area of the base times the height. Well, we know a few things already. We know that the volume is 56 cubic units. So 56 is going to be equal to the area of the base times the height. Well, what's the area of the base? Well, we can look at this, and actually we could just count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's equal to 12 times the height. 12 square units is the area of the base. So to figure out the height, we just divide both sides by 12. 12 times what is equal to 56? Divide both sides by 12, and so we get our height is equal to 56 over 12, which is the same thing as, let's see, it looks like both the numerator and the denominator is divisible by 4. So 4 goes into 56, what is that, 14 times? Yeah, 10 times 4 is 40, and then another 4 times 4 is 16. So this is 14 over, and if you divide 12 by 4, you're going to get 3. 14 over 3.